Hi, Bruce here from Panasonic, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install a top-load washing machine from scratch. Now you will need a couple of things to start off with. First of all, some scissors to help you unbox your washing machine, and if you're replacing an older machine, you'll also probably need some towels, as when you disconnect the hoses, water will probably come out and make a mess. Thirdly, it's not critical, but it does help to have a second person to help you move the washing machine into place so you don't hurt your back. We might do that again. Okay. Oh, hi Tara.
Hi Bruce.
Thanks for helping. Now let's take a closer look at what comes with your washing machine. So inside your washing machine, you should have 2 water supply hoses, a drain hose, and a bottom cover. Your laundry area also needs to have the following: flat ground, a power outlet or a power supply, a drain pipe or a wash basin for draining water, and hot and cold taps. Also, make sure they're turned off before you start, especially if you're replacing an old washing machine. Right, next we're going to connect the hoses and power. First, attach the hoses to the cold and hot water taps. Make sure that the rubber washers are inside the hose ends. Then, tighten firmly by hand. There's no tools needed, just a firm grip. Then, connect the other ends to the back of the machine. Next, we position the drain hose. Hook it securely into the drain pipe or sink. Make sure you don't push it too far down, as it can cause siphoning. And of course, ensure there's a proper air gap. Next, we're going to push the washing machine into position and set the level. You can set the level by adjusting the feet at the bottom of the machine until it's stable. And there's actually a built-in level at the top of the machine. Lastly, plug it in and run a short rinse cycle. Do a short wash with no laundry, and then check for leaks, noise or vibration. And if necessary, re-level or tighten the hoses if you notice water leaks. And there you have it. That's how you install a top-load washing machine. For more information, check out Panasonic.com. You do also have instructions on how to maintain and do tub hygiene cycles inside your instruction manual, which comes with your washing machine, or if you've lost it, you can download a copy from our website. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Can potentially cause an injury. Oh, hi Tara.
Hi Bruce.
Thanks for helping. Cool, we'll cut there and then come back to the... All right.